Now, satellite and radar showing most of the cloudy skies out here across central Georgia. We do see some clearing right now south of I-16, but that's only getting your hopes up because as we progress throughout the day, the clouds will come right back into the forecast. And as they return, it will bring in some rain with it as well. But right now, we see most of the clouds off to the north and the west. We also have a line of clouds coming from Hawkinsville all the way to Sandersville and into Sparta. Now, temperatures currently are still in the upper 50s, lower 60s across the entire viewing area, and dew points are still hugging the temperatures, and that's why we're seeing that patchy fog out there today. And that fog will continue to be a problem until sometime around 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock this morning when the wind begins to pick up as that cold front gets closer and also as the sun gets out and it starts to burn off some of that fog. So we look for reduced visibility on the roadways as we progress throughout our early morning hours. And here's another reason, the calm winds right there, as you can see. And we're looking at visibilities at least a mile in some locations. Warner Robins looks pretty clear, so is Thomaston and Sparta. But some locations look at some pretty dense fog out there at the beginning of the morning, and Dublin visibilities at 4 miles an hour. Here's the forecast for today. Afternoon showers, 83 degrees. Winds coming out to begin the day from the south. Then eventually they're going to shift from the west as that cold front pushes through. But we're going to see some pretty breezy conditions, 5 to 10 miles per hour. And then as we progress throughout the overnight hours, look for the lingering sprinkles to continue. The temperatures drop into the mid-50s and the wind west at 5 miles an hour. Now here's the forecast wind speed. As we said, we're going to start off with a southerly flow, and notice as we progress throughout the day, eventually the wind shifts sometime around 6 o'clock to the north and east. That's pretty much when the cold front pushes through the entire viewing area, and then we start to see that cooler, dry air begin to take over the forecast. Now, current satellite and radar shows across the southeast, a lot of cloud cover across the southeast, and notice the showers begin to really ramp up over the last couple of frames. And we really see some showers in Atlanta that's not being picked up right now. A lot of showers over metro Atlanta. Actually, you can see a little light green there. But the heaviest stuff is still out in Alabama. But the good news is, as we progress throughout the day, we will see some rain showers, but we won't see heavy amounts of rain showers, maybe about a ½ inch. And pretty much here's why. Let's take a look at it. Here's the cold front right there on our doorstep within the next 3 hours. As we move through, all the heavy rain begins to just fall apart. We go through the day with a lot of cloud cover. Friday, pretty much the same story. And we really see bigger rain chances come in on Saturday. And then on Sunday, we pretty much get a break. But the cloud, if you notice, the cloud cover sticks around for the entire weekend, actually the next 4 days. And we're looking at an unsettled weather pattern with the rain over the next 4 days as well. So here's the rainfall forecast. I think it's pretty much underdoing it a little bit. We may see somewhere about ½ inch to an inch of rain through the weekend with some higher amounts underneath some showers and thunderstorms. But overall, it's not going to be a complete washout today or tomorrow. Our biggest chance for some heavy rain comes in on Saturday. And then we get a break from the rain on Sunday. But look at these temperatures, pretty cool. 72-degree daytime high on Saturday, overnight lows on Saturday night and Sunday night into the 40s. So that's pretty much the coldest night we've had so far. Then we get sunshine on Sunday and Monday. We get a slightly warmer temperatures on Monday. But then rain moves right back into the forecast on Tuesday and Wednesday, and our temperatures take a dip as well.